Good morning students. Welcome to English language class. Today we will start new chapter, that is chapter number 5, pronoun. So please take out your book and open page number 40. Chapter 5, pronoun. Before starting pronoun, you must know what noun is. We will revise. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. For example, Ram. It is noun because it is the name of person. School is also noun because name of place. This pen. It is also noun because it is the name of thing. So we can say noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. Read this sentence. Siddharth promised that Siddharth would clean his room after Siddharth finished the work that Siddharth was doing. What we notice in this sentence? We notice that this Siddharth, that is noun, it is repeated in this sentence. Now read this. Siddharth promised that he would clean his room after he finished the work that he was doing. What we noticed here Siddharth is used for only one time. Instead of Siddharth, we are using here he finished, he would, he was doing. This he, which is used in place of noun, it is known as pronoun. The word he is used in place of the noun Siddharth in the second sentence. This makes the second sentence shorter and easier to read. Words that are used in place of nouns as shown in the example above are called pronouns. We use them to make sentence less repetitive. Some common pronouns are I, me, we, us, you, they, them, she, her, he, him and it. For examples, I am playing with Harry and Hima. They are my friends. In the first sentence, we are using Mary and Hima. In the second sentence, we are using they. That is pronoun. Mummy and I went to the market. We bought many things. This be, which is used for mummy and I, is pronoun. Belan has joined my school. She is a new student. So she is used for this noun. So it is pronoun. Now possessive pronoun. It is also one kind or types of pronoun. Possessive pronouns are used to replace a noun and to show possession or ownership. Some common possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours and theirs. Examples: is this notebook yours or is it mine? This pronoun yours and mine are showing possession or ownership. So they are known as possessive pronouns. Remember, we never use apostrophes in possessive pronouns. Now read this sentence. The traveler bowed to the king. He presented a gift to the queen. The word traveler can be used for both males and females. The word gift refers to a non-living thing which is neither male nor female. The word king and he refer to a male and the word queen refers to a female. Dear students, this genders. All nouns, now this new topic gender. All nouns and pronoun can be categorized by gender. There are 4 genders in English language. Nouns and pronouns that refer to males are in the masculine gender. For example, man, uncle. They are male, so they come in the category of masculine gender. Grandfather, lion, he, him, his. They comes in the category of males, so they are masculine gender. Second is feminine gender. Nouns and pronouns that refer to females are in the feminine gender. For example, woman, aunt, grandmother, they are females, so they come in the category of feminine gender. Lioness, she, her, hers. Now common gender. Nouns and pronouns that refer to both males and females are in the common gender. For examples, student. Student can be any girl, any boy. Friend also any girl, any boy. So they come in the category of common gender. They, them, you, yours, ours, mine, we, us, I. They all are the example of common gender. Nouns and pronouns that refer to living or non-living things which are neither male nor female belongs to neutral gender. For example, this soap. It is non-living thing. It is neither male nor female. So it comes in the category of neutral gender. Chair, tree, umbrella, it. They all are neutral gender. So I had given you introduction of pronoun, gender, possessive pronoun. Dear students, pronouns are used in place of nouns. The purpose of pronoun is to avoid repetition and make sentence easier to understand. Pronouns are used in place of noun. The purpose of pronoun is to avoid repetition and make sentence easier to understand. Dear students, so please revise the pronoun. And we had also learned about possessive pronoun, which is used for possession or ownership. We had studied about gender, that is masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neutral gender. Please revise these also. Thank you and have a nice day.